There's our queenie. This is in the observation hive. That is a beautiful queen right there. Observation hive did swarm on us. And this is the resulting queen. Previous queen's name was Little Ass Kicker because she was a little aggressive. But this new one has produced, most of these are here, her bees. You can see they're really nice golden, beautiful color to them. So she's done a fantastic job, and when we took it out to maintain it, we took out some comb here, and that was completely packed with honey. We put it into some other hives that we have, and we just gave some partially drawn comb, and they did pack some of this with honey, but some of the outsides here were covered. And they didn't like to draw up here, so we gave them 3 frames of better comb, so that hopefully will help them move this honey up and give them some more space to lay. It's a 9-frame observation hive, 6 deeps, 3 mediums, and this queen is just doing a fantastic job. She is rather pretty. Although right now she seems to be sleeping or just relaxing. Maybe a little lazy. But they are cleaning her. Look at that. Just taking a little nap. There's some eggs in here you can see. Out of the way, McFly. Some larvae getting ready to be capped. Definitely in there cleaning those cells out.